Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm going to do a quick video because I'm making a trade here on the 5 minutes, which I've done many times, right? I've shown you this type of trade many times, and I'm going to show you one right live right now as it's happening. So let's get on with that right now. So I'm doing the Hail Mary because because I've identified that the market is very toppy here on the 5 minute. Right, the market has gone sideways, and you can see we've gone a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, and finally only a tiny smidge more higher. And so that's a sign of a toppiness. Basically, the market wants to roll over and go down for a little while. I'm not saying go down all the way back to the 17K. What I am saying is that we're probably going to try to go back down to like 23K even, or something close to that number. Maybe let's take a look at that, right? Let's see where the market would love to trade to and wipe out anybody who's going long. So yeah, right there around the 22,900-ish area is where the market will most likely try to trade down to, because it likes to wipe out people who think that this is a bull market, I'm gonna hit the buy button, I'm gonna be rich. Yes, and it loves to make those people pay dearly. So we are going to capitalize on that, right? No guarantees from the management. There's no guarantees this trade is going to work, but it has a good probability. I don't like the fact that we are doing the Hail Mary into the face of this fractal. This is actually called an empire, a fractal, and it is very bullish. It's a bullish fractal. So there is a chance that, you know what, we could be wrong on this Hail Mary, but I'm willing to take the risk. Why? Because look, it's 0.34% is the percentage that's going to be lost, right? If I were to do $100, I'd lose 0.34% of that $100 if I had no leverage. That's worth taking. So effectively, you could actually raise your leverage to something crazy. It's something like 100x, 50x, no problem, because of the small percentage loss that you will take in this trade. So makes sense, right? So that's exactly what I've done. Over here, I have taken a short trade where I'm actually in the short trade with 50x. I wanted to go 100x, but it wasn't letting me for some reason, but that's okay. I'm in this trade right now, and we're going to see how it plays out. As you can see, we're still break even, or like just a little bit, a few $100 lost. But again, I won't lose a whole lot of money, and I'm going to take it to 2-to-1, maybe set my stops to break even on the 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and then see if it goes all the way down to the levels that I was talking about. So that would be a huge profit. So it's worth taking the risk, right, for the amount of profit that I'm going to get. Even if I do take a loss on this, it's okay, because I'm trying to get a massive reward based on the fact that I've seen the price action, and I'm in the right place at the right time to make the trade. So I'm willing to take that gamble, that small, tiny gamble, right, to make a bigger win. Okay, and probably I even if I just get stop to break even, I'm happy to take this trade anytime I see it, because of the fact that it's such an easy win, that if we such a big profit if we do win this particular trade. So yeah, so we're gonna have to be a little bit patient, right? 5 minutes, 5 minute time frame, right? It'll probably play out in the next 30 minutes or so, and you're like, well, that's not too long. But sitting around and watching 30-minute trading candles is very, very taxing. And so yeah, it can be it might seem like a short amount of time, because you could go and cook something, but at the same time you'll probably be like staring at the trade like, is it working? Is it gonna go? Is it working? And so that could end up feeling like a very long time. Okay, well, I am going to let this trade run either way. I'm gonna see how it goes, and then you know what? I'm gonna continue this in another video. So make sure you stay tuned for that video and see how this trade plays out. Thanks for watching. Cheers.